Welcome back to the channel. If you are working on a complex vector project in Inkscape, you have likely run into the need for using guides to align your objects perfectly. However, there are times when those guides clutter your view, and you need to get them out of the way to see your design clearly. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to hide and show guides in Inkscape, along with some essential tips for managing your layout workflow like a pro. If this tutorial helps you save time with your designs, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tips. Let us jump right into the software. First things first, ensure that you have some existing guides in your document. You can easily create these by clicking on the horizontal or vertical rulers and dragging them into the canvas. If you do not see your rulers at all, simply press Ctrl+R on your keyboard to toggle them on or off. Now, there are three primary ways to hide your guides. The most straightforward method is using the top menu. Simply navigate to View and then click on Guides. This will toggle their visibility instantly. A much faster way to do this, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, is to press the pipe symbol on your keyboard, which is usually Shift plus the / key. This is a great toggle to keep your workspace clean. If you want to dive a bit deeper into your layout settings, you can also manage this via the Document Properties panel. Go to File, then select Document Properties, or just use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D. Once that window opens, look for the Guides tab. Inside this tab, you will see a checkbox labeled Show Guides. Simply uncheck this box to hide them, or check to bring them back. Now, sometimes you do not actually want to hide your guides, but you keep accidentally clicking and moving them while you work. To prevent this, you can go to View and select Lock Guides. This keeps them in place while remaining visible. And if you ever need to get rid of a specific guide rather than hiding everything, just switch to your Selection tool by pressing S on your keyboard. Hover over the guide until it turns red and hit the Delete key. Mastering these small interface tweaks makes a massive difference in how quickly you can finish your designs. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.